Clear the voice and clear the warning, clear for all with ears to hear. Voice resounding through the darkness, tremble earth, the Christ appears. Stir from sleep and heed the warning, look again with keener eye. In the dark a new star flashes, promise of the morning sky. See the Lamb from Jordan's waters comes to pardon and forgive. Turn from sin and mark the gospel, that forgiven you may live. Christ the King comes robed in glory, scatters night and every fear. Run to meet the King of glory, Christ whose mercy draws us near. Honour, glory, praise and power, kingship, might and majesty, to the Father, Son and Spirit, blessings for eternity.